Hello everyone and welcome to another video of today for another QVC TILI unboxing. This one is called, it is a TILI QVC Try It Love It. It's all chic to me and it looks just like this. And yes, I'm trying to do as many videos as I can in one day. So hopefully, and not to make one video too long for you to watch. That way you can cut off and move on to the next if you don't want to watch the entire thing. So let's get started with this one. We kind of know what the process is. Again, QVC has a subscription box for $25 on a monthly basis. I don't get them on time. I've been getting them the month after and then so on and so forth. So this box is from... It's called It's All Chic to Me, and it is from Shelbi. It says, "Hi friends, I am Shelbi from It's All Chic to Me, where I blog about all things fashion related and how to score a great deal. I started my blog right out of college, so you could say that I'm proof that no matter the budget, you can make just about anything chic, hence the blog name. My mom and grandmother passed on their love of trying new beauty products to me, which is why I'm so excited to be able to share that gift with you through this box. My personal favorite products within the TILI box are the Isle of Paradise Tanning Mist and the IT Cosmetics Pressed Powder. But I know there is something in this box that will make everyone feel chic. Enjoy, friends." All right, so let's get started. The first product that they mention here, again, this is $25, so let's see how many full sizes they included. And the last few boxes that I have spoken about, they've been worth it for me. Considering some of the products that are in there. I've tried, others I haven't, so it's been a great try it, love it, or like it. So the first one says it's IT Cosmetics by My Pores Pressed Silk Airbrush Powder with Luxe Brush. Comes with a brush. It says instantly blur the appearance of pores and imperfections with IT Cosmetics by My Pores Pressed Powder. This is your Airbrush Silk Anti-Aging Beauty Finishing Powder, now in a pressed formula. The hydrating powder is created to give your skin a flawless looking finish with the sweep of a brush. You swirl your brush into the compact and tap brush gently onto the lid to remove any excess powder. Then softly buff onto skin in circular motions for a smooth, flawless, soft, focused skin perfecting finish. It can be worn on bare skin alone or over makeup as a finishing touch. I will say I have tried this brush before, the powder before, and it is very silky. It lays perfectly over your foundation. I've never tried it alone, but I do like it. I haven't purchased it in a while just because I simply forgot. I will be doing a favorites later on this week, but I kind of wanted to get to these boxes first so y'all can enjoy some of these products as much as I do. So again, let's find, and here's the box. And as you can see, I haven't opened it just yet. Let's see. This is what it looks like. It's always packed. Oh, it's cute. Okay, so let's find the IT Cosmetics powder. With brush, it says. Well, the brush did not come, but the full size by My Pores pressed powder did come. And that alone, this is $30 some if I'm not mistaken. I usually will get it through QVC just because they will give you a brush or extra little things with it. So again, here is, you can see that little emblem. I like to point that out all the time. It is 24 months from the date of opening. And and it is translucent. So you can see that, and I'm going to open it up so you can see what it looks like for those of you that haven't tried it. It comes just like this. The box is very pretty and silver. In fact, I think this is in my favorites for the month, or for the quarter, I should say. And this is what it looks like. It comes like this, and it does say translucent. And if you can see that little emblem, again, right there, 24 months. And this is exactly what it looks like. There's the powder, and of course it has the gloss on it. The gloss, the protective film on it to protect it. And then at the bottom, it has the sponge. So for travel, it's perfect. There. I typically use it with a brush, but if I'm on the go, I will have one of these in my purse if I need to. So again, this is a translucent by Pores by It Cosmetics, and this alone is over $25. So this is a good buy, good box so far. The next thing it says here is the Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Water. Kiss dehydrated self-tan skin goodbye. Isle of Paradise self-tanning water mist onto the skin for a hydrating spritz and an all-over refreshing glow. How to use: exfoliate 24 hours before tanning. Remove makeup and deodorant. Moisturize dry areas such as hands, feet, knees, ankles, and elbows prior to the application. Mist until skin is totally saturated, covering face. Leave hands and feet until last. Blend with a tanning mitt, which is not included, or hand in sweeping motions. Okay, and then, oh, so this is also a full size. Self-tanning in medium. Tells you right here, I guess that gives, it's a medium color tan. Isle of Paradise. And it's Hello Golden Glow with color correcting actives to even skin tone. I don't know if it has this. I'm not going to spray it because, oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so nice, so refreshing. Very floral. It doesn't have that tanning smell, if you will. I don't know how to describe it, but this smells so nice. Almost very like a perfume, a mist. It doesn't say this. Oh, here we go. So it says it includes avocado, chia seed, and coconut oils for a happy, hydrated glow and tan. So that's probably what makes it smell so good. And here you go on the that symbol again, 12 months from the date of opening. This smells so good. I've never tried. I really don't tan just because I'm already this color. So, but maybe I could try just to even my skin tone out and make it look better. Okay, so the next product is the ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream, which is a night cream formulated with a blend of unique ingredients to help improve the appearance of skin. How to use: you apply to cleanse skin every evening. Warm a pea-sized amount between the palms and smooth over the face. Avoid direct contact with eyes. So here's a little tube here, and it is the Pro-Collagen Oxygenated Night Cream. And again, I know this size typically sells for about $40 online, and it is a 0.5 ounces if I'm not mistaken. Yep, sure is. And there you go. So this works well with a couple of boxes, 2 or 3 boxes ago. I mentioned that I had the day cream. So these are perfect for travel. And again, they smell very nice, and I really enjoy the skincare that does work for me. It really hydrates. It makes any fine lines, expression lines, not necessarily disappear, but make them softer, if you will. The next item we're going to talk about is the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. Okay, so here it is. 24-hour mascara, Damn Girl. It is a travel size, and this I do know, again, $12 to $13 at Ulta, Sephora, even on their own website. So again, just between these 3 items right here, it is well over $25. So I really am liking this box. Not that I haven't liked the others. Maybe I didn't like the one with the philosophy as much, but that alone still made it worth the $25. So again, this is, I've never tried this Damn Girl Too Faced mascara either before, so I will definitely be trying this. It says for thick and curled lashes, 97% volume, 100% intense black lashes, 99% long wearing results, and 95% long lasting curl. So I'll be giving that a try, and I will let you know. And I know some of these products already have been out in the market for a while. So yes, I'm late on trying some of these products, but better late than never, right? Okay, so the next one is Soon Skincare Strawberry Lip Mask with Collagen. And it is for dry lips. Strawberry lip mask with collagen, formulated to help hydrate lips to leave your lips feeling refreshed like a juicy strawberry. How to use it: you gently clean and dry your lips, remove mask from the tray, and carefully place it directly on your lips and the surrounding skin. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, remove and discard the mask. Gently pat any remaining serum onto your lips. Okay. Never tried that before. I have heard of this product before, but never tried it. And it is again called Soon Skincare. And here it is, a single use. Let me know if you have tried it. Do you like it? Has it worked? Has it not worked? It is a Korean skincare brand. I think last video or the week before, another video, I showed that there was a Korean skincare hydrating moisturizer in there. So again, here it is. I'll be giving this a try, and again, I'll let you know how this works. All right, so the next one is a Supersmile Professional Whitening Serum. So that I did get on the last, was it the second box or the first box? I can't remember. Here is the same thing, the Supersmile, right there, whitening system. And then this is, it doesn't say, but I guess it's for a couple of uses. So I would doubt that it has an expiration date if you don't use it all in one. But there it is, Supersmile whitening system. So again, I'll be giving that a try if I haven't already with the other ones, and let you know how that works. The next one is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-Hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator. For a complexion you'll gush over, it's a gel cream that helps to hydrate your dry skin, which is very good for me because I do have some dry skin, especially during the winter and sometimes in the summer too. It's great for all skin types. How to use this multitasking formula can be used anytime skin needs moisture, under or over makeup, or as 5-minute mask. Oh, that's great. Okay, so, oh, it is a sample size. So there it is. So, but it does have enough maybe for a couple of uses if you're going to use it as a mask. See that there? It is a sample. Okay. And the next, last but not least, is the Kaj, I think that's how you say it, Kaj Beauty Volumizing Finishing Spray. It is this high performance, strong hold finishing spray, helps create plump, voluminous looking locks and updos with more staying power. Plus it's quick drying. How to use the spray finishing spray: 6 to 8 inches away, keeping constant motion all over styled look. Avoid running hands through hair right after to allow style to set. Okay, and here it is. The vanilla scented volumizing finishing spray, stronghold, infused with hyaluronic. Oh, there we go. See that? Vanilla infused, or vanilla scented, I should say. Wow. Okay, so I will be giving this a try as well. Shake before using, hold 60 inches away, spray all over hair. Maybe I'll try a little bit right now. Shake well a little bit. Let's see. It does smell vanilla-ish. It does smell nice, and it does, oh wow, it does give the hold right away. And it dries very fast. Oh, it dries very fast. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have done that there, but oh well. Now you know that it does work pretty quickly too. So we've come to the end of what was in the box. Again, I believe they have sent 8 items. This one says it came with a brush, and it didn't. But it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. So let's recap once again on what the products are in this box. Again, this right here, I believe is about $32. It is for a medium tone or tanning, I guess I would say. And it is Isle of Paradise. And this is a full size. The next item we have is the Volumizing Finishing Spray with vanilla scented. And that does definitely smell. So, and it is a great travel size. It is pretty full. And we have the ELEMIS Night Anti-Aging Cream. Great for travel as well. This, I mean, it could be considered travel, I guess, if you don't open it for a little bit. But there's the Clinique Moisture Surge for dry skin, or if you need a little extra moisture in your skin. what you hear. And then the next one here is the Korean brand Soon, the lip mask in strawberry. So I'll be giving that a try as well. And here's the Supersmile whitening system. And the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara in the travel size in black. And you know what? I didn't even open that, did I? I don't want to open it because if I expose it, it'll dry out. So as soon as I do, I'll show you. And then last but not least is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder in translucent. And this again is a great worth, just this alone, it's worth the $25 for the box. So that is it in this box for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of these products. Have you tried any of these products? Let me know if you think this is worth the $25 through QVC. Have you tried it yourself? Let me know. Write me some comments below. And let me know what else you would like for me to purchase, if there's any subscription boxes or anything that you have tried in this box, and if you liked it or what your opinions are. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like it, and share it, and turn on the notifications so you know every time that I upload. Once again, I hope to see you next time, and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!